Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to create Moosend subscriber for Tidical booking. I want that whenever a new booking will be created for a particular event in my Tidical account, automatically the person who have made the booking should be added as a subscriber in Moosend, which is an amazing email marketing software. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this we are going to integrate both these applications with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. Now what we are going to do, we have Tidical in our trigger and Moosend in our action. So we will be connecting both of them in order to automate this entire process. And to learn this entire process step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn that whenever a new booking will be done in Tidical for a particular event, how can we add the person who have made the booking as a subscriber in our Moosend account. Okay, now let's start creating this workflow step by step. In order to automate this entire process, I am going to use an amazing automation software, Pabbly Connect. So this is the home page of Pabbly Connect where we can reach directly by typing pabbly.com/connect, this URL in our browser. Once we will reach on this home page, we can find two options here, sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in. But if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free new account. Also, when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as I'm already an existing user, therefore I'm clicking on sign in. And this is the all app section of Pabbly where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. Now to create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on this dashboard, we can find all of our workflows which we have created. And also we can create multiple folders here in order to save our workflows. So as you can find, I have two folders here. In this test integrations folder, I have saved a lot of workflows. In the same manner, you can create folders and save your workflows accordingly in them. After this, in order to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option given on right corner with blue color. So let's click on it and a dialog box is appear in front of us. So it is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So let us first of all provide a name here. Create Moosend subscriber for Tidical booking automatically. After giving the name, we can also select the folder in which we want to save the workflow. So here from the drop down, I am going to select test integrations folder. And now we will simply click on create. As we do that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us, trigger and action. So trigger and actions are the two main concepts on which the entire automation runs. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. Whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow and will initiate that. And the actions are going to follow the same command. Therefore, we can only have one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. Now, let's understand the concept of trigger and action once again with the example of this workflow. Let's say here we are going to take Tidical in our trigger and Moosend in our action. And we want that as soon as a new booking will be made for a particular event in Tidical, automatically the person who have made the booking should be added as a subscriber in Moosend. So here we can find that the action is the response towards our trigger. So after understanding the concept of trigger and action, let's start creating this workflow. First of all, we will select the trigger application, that is Tidical. So Tidical is an amazing software which makes the bookings very easy. So here we want that as soon as a booking will be made for a particular event in Tidical, automatically the response of that same booking should be captured here in Pabbly Connect. For that, we will select the trigger event as new booking. So the trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger and will initiate it. So the trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to start. So when we have selected new booking as our trigger event, whenever a new booking will be made in Tidical, automatically the response of that booking will be captured here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, now let's click on connect. And we will click on add new connection to build a new connection with Tidical account. And then we will click on connect with Tidical. And here we can find that our authorization is successful. So our Tidical account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now after connection, we can find that on top it is written 10 minutes. This means that this trigger will check for new data in every 10 minutes. That is Tidical application has the polling time of 10 minutes. So therefore, this workflow is going to check for new data after every 10 minutes. Okay. So now when we will click on save and send test request, we will receive the response of the last booking made in Tidical. Okay, so in order to capture the response of a new booking, what we are supposed to do, we will have to go on our Tidical account and then we have to make a booking here. So here are the events on my Tidical account in which we can make the booking. So I am going to create a booking in this PHP course for beginner workshop. Now let me show you how you can create your own event, your own booking type. You have to click on this create new booking type button. And after coming here, you have to enter the details of the event for which you want to create a new booking. Okay, so let's say here you want to create a new booking page for a meeting. So here you will enter the title of that meeting, the URL or the meeting link here in this field, the description of the meeting here in this field, the duration, time on which the meeting will be available, and then after entering all the details, you have to click on create booking type. And with this, your booking will be created here in your Tidical account. Okay, so let me go back, and now I already have events for which I can create booking. So I am going to create a new booking for this PHP course for beginner workshop. Let me copy this link and I will open it in a new tab. And here we have to schedule our booking. So basically we are creating a booking for a new user. So basically here we are going to create a booking for a new user, that is a test booking. Okay, so let me select the time. Let's say I want to schedule this booking for Monday 6th November from 2 p.m. Okay, so here I have scheduled the time. Now after scheduling the time, we also have to provide the details of the user. So here I am going to enter the name. I am doing a test submission just in order to capture the response in Pabbly Connect. Therefore I am going to enter dummy details over here. So I am going to enter the name, let's say demo user. Okay, demo user. Now the email will be demouser500@pabblytudes.com. Just random details. Now we will click on book event. So our booking is scheduled. Okay, now we will go back on Pabbly Connect and we will click on save and send test request. And we can find that we have received the response here. We have received all the details of the booking which we have recently created. Okay, the start time, end time, title of the event, and the details of the person who have made the booking, name and email. Okay, so now we will move further towards our next action step, and our motive is to create a new subscriber in Moosint by using the details of the user who have recently made the booking in Tidical. Okay, so what we are going to do, we will select the action application as Moosint, and we will select the action event also, and in our action event we will select add new subscriber. Click on connect, and here from the given options I am going to select add new connection to build a new connection with Moosint account, and we will enter the API key. So from where we are going to find our API key, for that instructions are provided to us here. We just have to go towards our Moosint account and then we have to click on settings icon. After that we will find the option of API key. So let me take you to my Moosint account, and here we have to go on more options and we will find the option of settings here. When we will click on settings, we will find the option of API key. Let's click on it, and here is our API key. We will simply copy it and paste it here in this field. Done. Click on save, and successfully our Moosint account is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now after building the connection, we have to enter the details in these fields so that a new subscriber could be created in Moosint. So first of all, it is asking us for the mailing list. So in which list we want to add a new subscriber. I have the option of two lists here. So I'm going to select this integration list. I want that whenever a new response will be captured from Tidical booking, automatically the person who have made the booking should be added in integration list as a subscriber. Okay, now after this, the next it is asking us for the name of the subscriber and the email of the subscriber. Now here we have to enter the details of the person to whom we want to add as a subscriber in Moosint. So basically we want to add a subscriber to the person who have made the booking in Tidical, and we have also received the details of the person in our earlier response. So we are going to use the same details in order to map the data here. Okay, so mapping is just inserting the data from our previous step. We will select the previous step like this, and here are all the details. So whatever details we want, we can directly find that either by scrolling or by searching here. So first of all, we have to enter the name of the subscriber. Here I am going to search for the name, and it has redirected me towards the name of the user. So this is the name which we have received in the response. Let's select that, and it is mapped. Now, when we have mapped the data, automatically whenever a new response will be captured through Tidical, the data in this field is going to be replaced with a new data. That means the name of the person is going to be replaced with a new name of a new person who have made the booking. Okay, but if we will enter this data manually, then it will become static and it is not going to change with each and every response. Then our workflow will get stuck. Therefore, in every workflow, wherever we want, that data should change automatically with each and every response. There we use mapping, and when we want that data should remain same with each and every response, there we type it manually, and that is called as static mapping. Now the next, it is asking us for the email. So in the same manner, we will search for email and we will map the email also. Done. Now after mapping all the necessary details, we will simply click on save and send test request. And here we have received the response. Along with the response, we have also received the context ID. So because we have received this context ID, that means a new subscriber is added in Moosin account. So let's go and check there. And here, after coming on our Moosin account, we have to go towards audience section, and then we have to go on email list. So here we can find the option of to email list. So we have selected integration list in Pabbly Connect. We will open it and we will go on view all members. After coming on it here, we can find that yes, a new subscriber is added over here automatically along with the same details which we have received from Tidical response. Demo user, the name and the same email. Okay, so this means that our workflow is perfectly successful, and now we'll go back on Pabbly Connect and we will summarize what we have done in this workflow. So we have taken two simple steps here, trigger and action. In trigger, we have taken Tidical, and in action, we have taken Moosin. And we have connected both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new booking will be made for a particular event in Tidical, automatically the response of that booking will be captured here in Pabbly Connect. And by using the same response, a new subscriber is going to be created in Moosin. Okay, so in the same manner, by following the same steps, you can create this automation very easily, and this will enable you to automatically add the person who have made the booking for your event in Tidical to an amazing email marketing platform, that is Moosin. So this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can easily integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can easily email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can easily reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you are having any pricing related issue with Pabbly Connect, you can easily reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automation.